so she's starting to put cuticle oil on. And look how soft it is. And this is not removing ingrown toenail, but look, she got a hangnail that was digging in her skin. And because she's been putting on cuticle oil, it's soft in this area. I'm able to remove it without damaging her or hurting her. So check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna clip this side off. And this is not ingrown toenail. So if you guys are thinking I'm removing ingrown toenail, I am not. Okay, and there we go. That's gonna relieve a lot of pressure away from her toe. Because look at that. See, that was literally a hangnail, because her toenail's right here. That's not ingrown toenail. So we just removing that big old hangnail that's been bugging her, and there it is, all gone. Now look at this. We removed that hangnail, and look, that pressure is gone. Look, that pressure is gone. See, her nail is naturally growing perfectly, so it's not an ingrown toenail that she got. What she had was just a hangnail that was very dry. A little cuticle oil goes a long way right there. How do you feel?
Okay.
No pain?
I'm just barely feeling a little now.
But that's not bad,
But
right?
no, not like
Compared to
not
before.
like, yeah.
There we go. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.